Welcome to this introduction video about a great new speech-to-LED translation app, SayNc Translate. It's like having your own personal translator.
Es como tener tu propio traductor personal.
Closed captions anywhere you need them.
Untertitel überall, wo Sie sie brauchen.
Now let's take a look at all the features.
Maintenant, jetons un coup d'œil à toutes les fonctionnalités.
Now SayNc Translate is very simple to use. Just pick between the two different languages that you want to have the conversation in. In this case, of course, I'm English, and pick between any of 106 different languages that you can choose to translate. So let's say we'll translate into Greek. So we've picked the two different translations. Let's hit start. Push the microphone button at the top left of the language that we'll be speaking. The microphone will turn green, then start speaking.
Το μικρόφωνο θα γίνει πράσινο και στη συνέχεια θα αρχίσει να μιλάει.
The person speaking's phrase will appear in small font along the bottom, so you can verify the input phase was correct. Remember to speak clearly and use short phrases of 8 words at a time or less for best results. So again, push the button of the person speaking and it will do the translation. Could you direct me to the nearest hotel?
Μπορούσατε να με κατευθύνετε στο πλησιέστερο ξενοδοχείο.
Then to have the person respond, push the other language microphone and let them speak.
Το ξενοδοχείο είναι εδώ.
The hotel is here.
You can listen back to a phrase by pushing the repeat phrase button.
Πιέστε το κουμπί επαναλαμβανόμενης φράσης.
That's it. Such an easy to use translator. It's magnificent.
Magnifico.
Now to start using SayNc, pick the two languages you're going to be conversing in. You have a choice of 106 languages, and if you're not sure, you can even pick an automatic setting. Now, if you're always using the same two types of languages, you can save that in the settings page as your favorites. You can set the from language to language, and you can also set the font size, as well as turn the settings for the voice assistant on and off. You can adjust the font size on SayNc from a smaller size that will show more text to a very large size. While the larger font size is great for viewing at a distance, it also takes up too much real estate on the screen, and sometimes the letters don't all appear. So be forewarned that the standard setting works the best to display the most amount of characters. You can also adjust both the text color and the background color. SayNc Translate has two modes of processing the translation. The accurate setting looks ahead in the sentence and makes changes to the spelling of each word, which takes a little bit longer. The fast setting sends each word out without consideration of how the exact spelling should be according to the sentence. If you're in a conversation and you want to add a file or an image, just go back to the menu page and in Image, pick your image right there from either the gallery or take a picture with your camera. Also in the menu page, we have a frequently asked question page that has all kinds of questions with almost all of the answers. If not, always just throw us an email, info@saync.ca. Also in the menu page is a rate us, which we'd love to give us a 5-star. Or you can always share us. If you loved using our app, go ahead and share us on all your favorite social media platforms, or send emails. Also on the menu page, you can find an About Us, which we're a Canadian company, very proud to be in Canada. And of course, when it comes to data, we could list that as well on our privacy policy. And we do not collect your personal data. We do not collect your conversations. What we collect is technical things like digital zeros and ones and things that we can make your app work faster and smoother and more accurate. So your data is very safe. The only thing we're interested in is the technical data, the bits and the bytes that make things function better. Okay? We've also included a built-in keyboard for words that are hard to pronounce or possibly for people that are unable to speak back. Just simply type into the text box and the keyboard appears.